Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in at Top Gun Shooting Sports in Taylor, Michigan. They have an event going on today involving Sig Sauer, and they've got the whole line of handguns out there, and it's pretty amazing because you typically don't get to view so many handguns from one particular company at one time. But there was one in particular that I really wanted to check out, and that's the Sig P210. This was originally a Swiss gun made in Switzerland. They're now making them in the US. It used to go for above $2,000, like $2,200. Now the MSRP is $1,499. Average price at your gun store is right around $1,200, and here it is. You can check out that grip. It's actually a thick grip for a single stack 8-round magazine, but it just feels very nice. There's the mag. Comes with 2 mags, but when you grip the gun, it has an incredible ergonomic feel to it. It just fits to the hand, even down below here where it flares out a bit. 5-inch barrel. I think I mentioned comes with 2 8-round magazines and shoots incredibly well. It does have a fiber optic front sight, blacked out rear sight. Does have adjustments for elevation and windage, but a very nice shooting gun. I took a couple shots with it, and I shot it very well. So here we have the P210, a gun that I wanted to check out for a while. It was always out of the price range, at $2,200 or so, but now Sig is making it much more affordable, still over $1,000, but a very nice shooter, and I think many competitive shooters are going to like it. It does have the extended beaver tail here, all wood grips, and the trigger itself is, in my opinion, right around 3.5 pounds. It is a very short single action trigger pull, and then your reset is right there for the follow-up shots. Pretty incredible shooting gun. And the one thing that I wanted to do was check it out and make sure that it worked for me in my shooting impressions. And as you can see, when I shot the gun, it definitely did it. It felt nice, and I was able to tag the target not too far away, probably 7 or 8 yards away, but a very nice shooting gun. Over $1,000, yeah. Is it worth it for a competitive shooter? Well, it's right around that market where the competition guns are a bit more, and this P210 is a pretty nice offering from Sig Sauer. Really happy that Top Gun offered the Sig Rep to come here, show off some of the products, and then I was able to get my hands on this Sig Sauer P210. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.